Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I wanted to start vlogging a little bit of my life, a little bit of what I got going on as far as business, and it also pertains to the barbershop, what we got going on, mixed with a little bit of family, right? I still want to post like the haircut tutorials and things like that. I'm kind of just getting straight to the point because I want you to know what the basis of this video is going to be about. But today, I'm headed to the airport. I do this travel about 4 days a week. I usually fly out on a Tuesday, usually come back around Friday, Saturday, and then we do it all over again the next week. So you're probably wondering, why am I vlogging? Why am I interesting? And to be honest, I don't know, because I really don't think I'm interesting. But I do understand that I need to post more content. I need to be more consistent. And I feel like I have a lot to say, but I don't know kind of like where to start in a sense. So when it comes down to, me vlogging and me putting this stuff out here, it may be random, but I hope you bear with me and, follow me through the journey. But I want to start off by saying, I own 2 barbershops. I have one in Texas and I have one in Pennsylvania. The one's in DFW, the other one's in Spring Grove, Pennsylvania, which probably no one's ever heard of that. But currently I have a full shop in Texas and I work full time out of that one. Mainly because my wife and my kids, they like it better in Pennsylvania. And so we lived in Texas. She didn't want to live there anymore. And that just comes down to the premise of what happened and why I do this travel. But I also make more money in Texas. We may get into that later in other videos, but out here we charge, here in Spring Grove, we charge $32 a haircut. In Texas, I charge anywhere from $50 to $65 a haircut. And because the median income is a lot higher in Texas, I'm currently, I make more money out there versus being in Spring Grove. Now, could I make the same amount of money here? I probably could, but I'm at 33 years old. I didn't want to have to, start over again. I just did it, 4 years ago by moving to Texas to begin with. In the mornings, my daughter usually goes to school around 10 o'clock, and then kind of finding other things to do. Sometimes I have to go in the shop and check on my shop in Spring Grove. Sometimes, it's just working on the computer and just doing regular work like that. But it really just depends. My days are kind of scattered and I'm kind of working on it. And this is why I really want to vlog the process, because I'm not perfect. I'm not the perfect shop owner. I could be better in all areas of life. Family, relationally, business. Everything pertains to that. And yes, currently I'm driving in the car right now and trying to vlog, and I can't get my mount set up, so I don't know what's going on there. But overall, I want to take you guys to the journey of what I have going on and what it's like to be, to own 2 shops, to travel between 2 states. It's not all peaches and cream. It's not easy. It's not fun, but the money's good, so I continue to keep doing it, right? And I only want to do this till I'm 40 years old and I want to retire and have other businesses and do other things. But we'll see, where that takes me, in the ongoing future. Who knows what'll happen? I may have other businesses in other areas, other states, and things like that. So we'll see. But thank you for watching. Let's just show you kind of the journey and the path that I kind of take to, get to Texas. Gotta be honest, I hate having to fill up my car here on the East Coast. Looking at $3.79 a gallon. This is just perks of the travel, I guess. Can't show y'all my pen, And yes, because I'm a car guy, I do have to fill up with premium, just based on the tune that I have in my car. So if any car guys out there and you're watching this, you know what it is. And usually I travel 2 hours before my flight, even though I have an hour drive, but I'm usually booking it. And currently today it's raining outside, so hopefully that, I get no traffic Everybody's kind of cruising along with me. And I know I thought I was going to end the video earlier and just do a montage, but we're kind of currently working past that. I'm just going to get my practice and get my feet wet. It's times like this when I, get a chance to travel, back and forth. And it's peace of mind for me. I've always loved just getting in the car, driving, going for a ride. I don't get a chance to do that too much often now, just with the kids and the family and stuff like that. So, when I do get to take this drive down to the airport, it's just nice, man. Like, I really appreciate it. I tend to enjoy it. This is like peace of mind for me, where I clear my head and kind of mentally prepare for what the week is ahead. Because in these 4 days, I'm going to do anywhere from, 60 to 80 haircuts. And I'm working, 13-hour days usually. And it becomes, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a mental stress. It's never really a burden, but it's a lot. It's a lot. Let's just put it that way. Talking to a lot of people in that short period of time, and then you kind of have to go back and then reset. You're doing it every single week, so it's cool. It's cool. We'll see how long I do it for. I don't know what they got going on, but they got Noah's Ark out here now. So I park at the hotel just so I can leave my car here for a couple days. It's usually about $6 a day. Makes it super easy instead of paying that $20 at the airport. Can't do it. I think the biggest thing I'm gonna struggle with now is like going into places and actually talking in public. I think that's always probably the biggest thing that people are uncomfortable with. Then sometimes you don't know how people feel about you recording in public. So we will see what happens, especially as I go through the airport. So the car's parked. Make sure we lock it. And now we have to go to the shuttle. I gotta make sure we move my mic around. But I do this because, like I said before, it's cheaper. It's easier for me. The only downfall is when I gotta wait for a shuttle and I'm running behind and trying to get on the plane. That's the only struggle per se. But other than that, I really don't have any issues. And I park here so much that people kind of get used to seeing you a lot, so it hasn't really been too much trouble. Also, when going through the airport, because I run such a tight ship, having TSA pre-check, and now what they have is what digital ID is what they call it. So I think that's gonna be the future, and it's gonna make travel so much easier. And I'm thankful for that. It's pretty dope when you walk through the airport and you see people that you know. I'm not even that hungry, but I think I am going to stop at the Kidobo and grab me a bowl for the flight. I'm really shocked that my flight's not delayed or something, because the weather is just been super foggy outside. But I guess these pilots is used to that. Sometimes I question every time I fly out, like how they do it and what that looks like in the cockpit. It's crazy. So we finally touched down back at Love Field. Now it's time to catch the shuttle, because I had to park at two different hotels. It's a lot to manage, just keeping up, but the apps nowadays make it easy. So we're gonna shoot over there and head to the car so we can get back. I almost forgot, man. It's 80 degrees out here. I just left and it was 40 degrees. Now I got a hoodie on and I'm about to be sweating. Back at the car. It took a little bit longer than usual, but yeah. We're gonna be on our way. I got about a 35-minute drive back to where I stay, and you'd be surprised of, you know, where I stay at. But I think I need to stop at the grocery store first. Just don't know, just depends on how I'm feeling, if I'll go, or I might wait till tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Don't mind me. If my wife sees this, I didn't get a milkshake before I'm going back to the house.
There you go, have a good day.
Thanks. I didn't realize the milkshake was this big. Oh my God, dog. Told y'all, you're not gonna believe me. Yes, I'm staying in an RV. The hustle, the grind, the sacrifices that you make. Just got an RV and it smells in here a little bit, and I just realized that there's water leaking. I don't know why, but I'm not in here very often. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I need to get to bed. I got 7 a.m. wake up, and it's time to go in the shop. But maybe my next vlog, I'll kind of share my week with you, and kind of just go day to day. Share the haircuts that I'm doing for the day, and we'll go from there. I appreciate you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.